Since the 15th of September 2023, the Corporations Act 2001 allows statutory demands to be served electronically, including by email. This change follows the introduction of Part 1.2AA, which is a technology-neutral regime for the sending and receiving of documents. It replaces the former Section 600G and expressly permits electronic service where certain requirements are met. To validly serve a statutory demand by email, the creditor must send it to an electronic address that the company has nominated or that the creditor reasonably believes to be current. The document must be readily accessible to the recipient, for example, as a direct PDF attachment or via a working download link. Service is taken to occur when the email reaches the company's email system, even if it is not opened. This means companies must monitor their email accounts closely, including spam folders, because the 21-day time limit to comply with or set aside a statutory demand still applies. Failure to respond within that period will give rise to the statutory presumption of insolvency, allowing the creditor to apply to wind the company up. While email service is now lawful, creditors should ensure that the address is correct and reliable. In some cases, personal service or service at the registered office under Section 109X may still be the safer option to avoid disputes about receipt or service. Reach out to our experienced team for a free 30-minute consultation with our statutory demand professionals, and let us help protect your rights.